Hi friends, we are going to read two books, both of them about S-N-O-W, snow. This is a nonfiction book. That means it's going to give us some true, real information. Maybe we can learn a bit about snow. And this book is by Eric Edison. Snow. There's the title page, Snow. So in a lot of nonfiction books, there's this page at the beginning called a table of contents. It's not a table like your dining room table. It's a page where it tells you the information that you're going to find in the book. The table of contents tells you. So in this book, it says there's a section in the book called What is Snow? And if you go to find it, you'll find it on page 4. And the next section in the book is called Types of Snow. If you want to learn about different types of snow, you need to go to page 12. And then there's a section in the book called Snow Dangers. Ooh, that sounds interesting. That happens on page 16. And then if you want to learn about melting snow, you need to go to page 20. That's what the table of contents is. It tells you where to find the information. I actually just want to read the whole book. I want to learn about all of those things. So let's just start from the beginning. So there we go. What is snow? Snow is frozen bits of water falling from the clouds. It is cold and soft, and it piles up on the ground. Do you like that picture? That's a photograph, right? Of a real snowy day there. When the air is cold, water vapor forms ice crystals in the clouds. Ice crystals gather together to form snowflakes, and this process is a form of condensation. That's a great word, condensation. Wow, look at that snowy picture. When snowflakes fall from the clouds, it's called precipitation. Most snowflakes have 6 sides, but every snowflake is a little bit different. This is a photograph of real snowflakes. Somebody used a nice up-close tool so you could see what they look like when they're up close. Isn't that cool? All those ice crystals stuck together. The air temperature must be near freezing for snowflakes to reach the ground. Temperatures above freezing turn snowflakes into rain. So this is a thermometer. There are different kinds of thermometers, and when the temperature is 0 degrees or colder, that's when you get that snowy, wintry weather. All right, so here's the next section called Types of Snow. Have you noticed before there are different types of snow? Let's read about that. Some snow is soft and dry. It feels like powder, and people can sled or ski on it. I bet you've tried sledding or skiing. That's a lot of fun. Some snow is wet. Wet snow sticks together, and people make snowmen and snowballs out of it. Yeah, you need that wet, sticky snow if you're going to build something like a snowman, right? Here's this next section called Snow Dangers. Just before we read that section, can you think about that for a moment? Can you think of why or when snow might be dangerous? Let's see what the book says. Blizzards are windy snowstorms. Oh my. People cannot see through blizzards. The snow falls quickly and then blows into drifts. Do you see how dangerous that would be for the people to drive their car in the blizzard? They couldn't see where they were going very well. Oh no, I'm worried about them having a car accident. That would definitely be dangerous. Avalanches happen when huge piles of snow slide down a mountain. Avalanches bury everything in their paths. Oh my, so this is some of the snow falling down. It's called an avalanche. Yeah, that is dangerous for sure. Okay, the next section is melting. When the weather is warm, snow melts. It soaks into the ground and it runs down into the streams, and then snow becomes water. Did you already know that? When the snow melts, it becomes water. And that was the end of this nonfiction book about snow. I wonder if you heard some information you already knew, and I wonder if you learned something new in that book. All right, now I have one more book to read to you. It's this one. It's called I Am Snow. I bet you can read that title, I Am Snow. This book is by Jean Marzolo and it's illustrated by Judith Moffett. I am not going to tell you if it's fiction or nonfiction. I would like you to think about that while we read the book, and at the end I will ask you again. So you're wondering about this book. It's called I Am Snow, and we'll see if it's fiction or nonfiction. I Am Snow is being told by the snow. The snow is telling this story. I am snow. I am not rain. I do not drip, drip, drip. I am not hail. I do not bounce, bounce, bounce. I am not ice. I do not crack, crack, crack. I am snow. I fall gently, gently, gently. I am a million, billion, trillion snowflakes all piled up. Each snowflake is a crystal. Each crystal has 6 sides. You can catch one on your mitten. Are there 6 points? Yes. From afar, all snowflakes look the same, but up close, you can see them better and you will see each snowflake is different. Some snow is wet and sticky. Wet snow makes good snow people and snowballs. Some snow is dry and fluffy. That makes it easy to shovel. Who loves snow? Skiers, snowboarders, snowshoe hikers, snow sliders. Artists love snow too. This artist cut snowflakes from paper. We did that on one of the videos on the website. I wonder if you made paper snowflakes. What happens to cold snow in warm weather? It melts. Just like the rain, it goes drip, drip, drip. Okay, so that was this story called I Am Snow, and I'm wondering if you think this story is fiction or nonfiction. It's a tricky question. I actually think this story is half and half. It's a little bit fiction, a little bit nonfiction. It's fiction, pretend, because the snow is telling the story, and of course snow cannot tell a story. But there was a lot of true information in this book. A lot of the same information that was in this nonfiction book. Did you notice that? Thanks for listening to those stories about snow. I hope you learned something new.